How to use one for all on Asos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use your one for all card on Asos. If you have one for all card that you like to spend on Asos, the first step is to convert it into an Asos gift card. To do this, click the link provided below where you can use your one for all card to purchase an Asos gift card through the one for all checkout. Don't worry if you need the link, it's included in the description for your convenience. And once you have obtained your Asos gift card, you can add it to your Asos account and use it for your purchase. Please keep in mind that the one for all card itself cannot be used directly at Asos checkout. It must be first converted to the gift card. And one more thing, the website includes links to external third-party sites which are provided purely for convenience. Asos doesn't control these sites and cannot guarantee their content or availability. And that's it. With this, I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please share it to your friends, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.